Hey, what's up everybody? We thought we'd make a video showing you how we make our twice fried chicken legs. There's our grill with all our leftover avocado wood that we're burning up. That's all from our wood turning. So we got a nice little fire going. There's our cast iron skillet and the oil. The thing about the avocado wood is it doesn't burn as hot and it burns through really fast. So the oil wasn't hot enough here, but we thought, just rip them because it's gonna burn out. So we're putting in our chicken legs, and we start skin side down. So we'll let this go. We're turning it every minute because initially it tends to stick to the bottom of the cast iron skillet. So now the oil is going pretty well. We flipped it a couple times and back to skin side down. So this is just no batter, no seasoning at this point. It's just chicken in oil. Okay, flipping it over. The skin is getting a little bit better. And we'll do this until it gets nice and golden brown. So we've taken the chicken legs out and we'll season it and let it rest. Then, after a few minutes, once it's cooled down, we'll put it back in the oil for the second part of the frying. And this makes the skin incredibly crispy, and you have to turn it very often because it will tend to burn at this point because the oil is at its hottest and the chicken's pretty much cooked at this point. So we've seasoned it with garlic, salt, and pepper, and we're just gonna flip it every few seconds. In that foil pouch is the carrots we harvested. We're dipping that in some oil, olive oil. And there we go. We're just going to turn it. And it's like super hot. And we're just going to leave it here for a little while and we're going to pull it out. You can see how nice and golden brown that is. Yep, pretty much done. Take off the oil, put it on the plate, and we're gonna season it one more time. A light sprinkling of just garlic salt, and it's ready for grinds. We really like cooking the chicken this way. We also do it with fish, but it's way faster with fish when you twice fry it. It gets super crispy when you do the second fry. In some cases, with bigger fish, we'll fry it as much as 3 times. And that's pretty much it. That's going to be our dinner. Looks pretty ono. We're not going to show you how I burnt my finger after. Didn't get that on video. There's our final seasoning with garlic salt. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And aloha.